So, the rumor going around is this man, Ribeiro, is looking to leave. Or should I say, their interest clubs, abafuna ukumsayina. Pyramids FC, the club that actually beat the Sundowns to the Champions League, they are interested in him. Apparently, they've opened talks. I don't know if it's paper talk or fake news, but you know how these things go. Transfer window. Honestly, my opinion, do not go. Ribeiro, stay one more season. Because you know why. Angfuni, if Pirates is going to win the league, Sundowns supporters say, we lost our best player, No. I want him there. And by the way, he's the football of the season. For me, football of the season, but do not leave Ribeiro. I want to beat you ukhona nawe. Because you are a player. Umnandi. Ngifuna ube khona. Do not leave.